Alright, today we're looking at a 2016 Dodge Dart SE. Alright, it's white metallic in color. It's got 31,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, everything's in really good shape going along the driver's side. Rear of the vehicle looks good. Does have the nice powder gray alloys there. Size of those 17-inch alloys. Alright, exterior of the Dart's in really good shape. Alright, it's a 16 with 31,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels. Nice black mesh going along through here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, does have black cloth seating. The same kind of mesh as the inserts here. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat looks good. It is a 6-speed manual. All right, got your climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player here. All right. It does have Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 31,101 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio again. Climate control area. All right, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. And once again, it is a 6-speed manual. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Back seat cloth looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Just a little bit of staining on the back here. Got the air compressor pump right there. But I'll stand to the side and kind of let you see the depth, just how much space you got back here. Good bit of room, okay? There's a little bit of staining on this piece of cardboard right here, the protector shell here. Go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right, it's kind of got that gray powder coat look to them. Tires are in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Dodge Dart SE, 31,000 miles on it. All right, bright white, metallic in color. So been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.